All right, let's see what happens when we have a fraction to an exponent. So notice this is actually talking about the entire fraction, 1/4 to the x, not just the 1 to the x. It's 1/4 to the x. So this is how we type it into our calculator. We do 1/4 to the -2. We type that in, we get 16. Strange. All right, we do 1/4 to the -1, and we get 4. All right, let's do 1/4 to the 0, and we get 1. Okay, that one was expected. Okay, and we've got 1/4 to the first, and we get 0.25. All right, and then we get 1/4 to the second, and we get 0.0625. That's a really tiny number. All right, so for the second, we go up to 16. Okay, can't graph that. So at the first, we go up to 4. Beautiful. At 0, we're at 1. At 1, we're at 0.25. And at 2, we're really close to 0, but we haven't quite reached it. So if I was to graph this line, it would look something like that. Okay, we're getting infinitely close to 0. Now notice our domain didn't change. It's still -infinity to infinity. Nothing really cool. However, our range is exactly the same still. Still nothing has changed. We never touch 0, and we're going straight up. Our y-intercept even hasn't changed. It's still 0, 1, so that's kind of cool. However, our end behavior, as we go to the left, as we go towards -infinity, notice this time we're going straight up. So now we're saying we're going to infinity. As we go to the right, or positive infinity, we're saying that the graph is flatlining. So it's getting closer and closer to 0, but it never actually touches 0. Okay? All right. With this under your belt, I want you to go ahead and try this out. See how you type it into the calculator. It's even beautifully written for you. Okay? And once you finish that, I want you to think about this and answer these 2 questions here. And then we will come back again tomorrow. So write your recap. You are good for the day.